cookers. This one okay for rice. Can bo rice. ได้บ่ข้าวได้ไหมได้ Oh wow, very cute. Very cute. This is rice cooker. China. China. This all China. Oh, okay. These are all from China. Can I walk this one? Okay. So you can see, may mga iba pa silang mga paninda dito. May mga ano din, slippers, footwears, and may mga ano, anything. Kasi ang nakalagay sa ano nila, sa website nila is import sila. So lahat ng mga products dito is ano, in-import pa nila. Maybe from China. Yes, most probably all products are coming from China. So ayun na yung pinili ko. Ito na lang yung rice cooker. Kasi need ko rin talaga ang ano, rice cooker. Kasi nga ano, rice is life. So yun lamang. This is the Alulao. You can buy anything you need here in the shop. Alright. Yung rice cooker na gusto ko, dito na lang ako sa may ano, Pok bibili. Kaladlaw. Anong meron? Ito na yung mga ano, rice cookers. Oh my god. High-end brand ang available. Walang low brand. Hopeless case na ata ako. Parang hindi na ata ako kakain ng rice kasi ang mamahal ng mga rice cooker 1 million. Shit. Multivitamins. This is for multivitamins. Another multivitamins. How much?
570,000
Hasen. Jet. How about the small one? No more? Oh. I just need the small one. No stock? Can you check? Thank you. So, here we go. So, since walang, I need multivitamins. So, I need to buy multivitamins kasi alam nyo yung weather today is lamig, init. Nakaburyong. So, I got multivitamins. This is for gabi and vitamin C. And of course, so I'm paying now. All of this is 68,000. Oh, 84,000. Okay. Uy, grabe, napakainit. Pupunta ako doon sa Meno, bibili ako ng yung panlinis ng kuko sa paa. Dito oh. Tingnan ako kung merong ano, cuticle remover, tapos yung pagkuskus ng paa. I will ask ate. How about this one? To clean the this. Okay. So ito lang. Ano naman? Kasi ano lang, pangkudkod lang nung ano dito ata. Ay, mga beauty products oh.